Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Magic Fluids. We have to get this application. Let's open. And here we get the preview of this wallpaper. We can of course change it, but at the first click here, then tap to set as a live wallpaper, and then click right here on the settings. Accept this thing, and then we can change also this theme, right? So maybe we can set up this one. Click yes, then just go back, and as you can see here we get new theme of this wallpaper. Click to set, and then when we go back, you can see this glitters, swimming in our screen. It looks really cool, and it's just live, so we can interact with this glitters. And of course you can set other themes. You can also adjust the settings of this application. You can change the quality of it. There's a lot of things that you can customize there, so I hope you are going to have fun with this one. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!